Hello, this is Brandy, and I'm here to demonstrate my lab assignment 6. Okay, let's start with account. We have the account class that represents a bank account with basic operation. We have the balance private fields that store the account balance. We have a constructor to initialize the account with an initial amount. Now the next one here is the deposit method that add money to the account. Amount here is the money to add. The method practically updates the balance by adding amounts. It prints a message showing the amount deposited and update the balance. The synchronize here ensures that no two actions happens at the same time. Now the withdraw method here allows the user to take money out of the account. It checks if the amount is less than or equal to the balance. Then if yes, it subtract the amount and update the new balance. The new balance is printed. If no, it prints the message saying insufficient fund. Then we have the get balance method that returns the current amount balance. The next class here is a transaction class, which um which implements the runnable interface. You have now uh, instance variables, account, transaction type, and transaction amount. The account here is the account in which the transaction will be performed, the transaction type, whether deposit or withdraw. The transaction amount is the amount involved in the transaction. Now we have constructor here that initialize the transaction with specific amount type and account type and amount. Associate the transaction here. It associates the transaction with given amount. Then here it sets the type of transaction, and here it sets the transaction amount. Now we have the run method here that executes the transaction depending on the type, either deposit or withdraw. It calls the deposit method if it's deposit, and calls the withdraw method if it's withdraw, and prints the error if the transaction is invalid. Now we have the test, the test class account. That is the account and transaction classes by simulating concurrent transaction. You will print us a message here as the header. Now here is create an account object with an initial balance of 5,000. I mean, we create a list to hold multiple transactions. The array list transaction list here is created to store multiple transaction objects. Like we have deposit 1,000, 1,600, withdraw 500, withdraw 35,000, and deposit 150. Now the uh, executor service here, it creates a trace pool with a fixed number of threads to execute transaction concurrent, which is I set it to 3. Now we submit each transaction in the list to the executor for execution, and then we shut it down. Thank you.